U.S. Olympian track star Sha'Carri Richardson. Some people recognize her for wearing her famous long-inch acrylic nails to track meets. Others know her for her lightning-fast feet, clocked at 10.65 seconds in the 100 meters, one of the fastest times ever recorded in female history. But on the road, officers clock an Aston Martin DBX 707 speeding and swerving between lanes at 104 miles per hour.
You're flashing them to get out of your way, are you?
If you look closely, the officer's odometer reads 70 miles per hour. Notice the officer's speed increases as Sha'Carri cuts ahead of the officer's car with no notice of him.
Passing a car at 101, 103, 104. County motor 50, copy 1050.
As the officer catches up, he turns on his lights to signal Sha'Carri to pull over.
Look for a tag on a gray Aston Martin and an occupants.
Not saying Sha'Carri would run off from police, but just so you know, this Aston Martin DBX can hit a top speed of 180 miles per hour, while most police cars max out around 150 miles per hour. Whether on land or on foot, Sha'Carri could give this officer a good run for his money anytime or any day.
I would wipe that smile off your face. I'm Sergeant McDaniels with the Orange County Sheriff's Office. You're being stopped for dangerous excessive speeding.
I understand my tire at the back is like literally on 29.
So you're driving at 100. Hold on. You're driving at 104 miles an hour in a 65 mile an hour zone with subpar equipment, flashing people to get out of your lights, out of your lane, following too close, using every lane to pass everybody, cutting me off, passing a car on the inside shoulder with their hazard lights on. You're going to jail for dangerous excessive speeding.
I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that. My phone, I didn't even know my car was speeding.
That's why they give you a speedometer.
I totally understand. I communicate with you, sir. I really do not want to go to jail.
No, most people don't, but you got to think about that before you do the speed. I need your license, your registration, and your insurance. You were speeding.
Sir, I was, and I totally didn't know. If you look at my phone, my buttons right here, they jump around. My phone is sitting here, and it's slid on here. I literally see it's not even in normal mode, and I see that. My apologies, sir. Please, I'm communicating.
The mode has nothing to do with your gas pedal.
No.
I need your license, your registration, and your insurance.
What you just heard was Sha'Carri say she didn't even realize her car was in sport mode from her phone sliding and switching between modes. Even if that was the case, that still doesn't explain how she ended up at a speed of 104 miles per hour.
Please work with me. I promise you.
I don't know what work with you means.
Not work with me. I understand that. I will take the ticket. I will show the
No,
court.
like I told you, you're going to jail.
Please don't allow me to go to jail. Please, sir. Please.
Listen to me.
Please, sir. I really.
It's nothing you say is going to change that. You are going to jail.
Sir, am I going to jail, Jake?
Yes.
Sir, I really was not intentionally speeding at
That's
all.
even more scary.
Sir,
that means that you're doing
please.
things unintentionally on a task that requires all your attention.
Sir, please, I'm begging you.
You are going to have a little bit of time to make some phone calls.
Sir,
you are going to jail.
Please,
I am towing your car.
Please, sir, don't take me to jail. I will do everything.
No.
I will do everything.
You have two options.
Listen. Sir, please.
Listen, you have two options.
Please, sir.
The first option is you can either ride with me in my car.
Damn, that's loud.
The second option is you are going to go to jail in a cage car.
No,
Which do you
sir,
prefer?
I promise you, I don't want to go to jail. I'm right here. I have a team here. I have a coach, everything, sir. I was not intentionally doing anything, and I am.
You're not listening. You're repeating yourself and not listening. Nothing you say is going to change.
Sir, I want to.
All right, so make some phone calls. Let people know that you're going to have a $500 bond.
Going 104 miles per hour in some states could lead to serious criminal charges. But since Sha'Carri was in Florida and had a clean record, she was arrested for dangerous excessive speeding, posted a $500 bond, and was released the same day with a court date set for her misdemeanor. If you enjoyed this body cam breakdown, subscribe to our channel and don't miss our weekly uploads.